Wellness. Our society spends much time and energy trying to achieve it. Exercising, eating right, and taking vitamins, all to help ensure a longer, healthier life. But are we doing enough? Today, environmental and lifestyle factors such as toxins, stress, and overmedication can deteriorate our health and accelerate the aging process.
Good health choices and lifestyle choices will greatly impact your own personal aging pattern. If you make some choices to reduce stress, make good food choices, balance your hormones, and doing some stress relief and getting some exercise, and all of a sudden that aging process is not so rapid.
Using a different model of care that focuses on the body's innate ability to heal and maintain itself, naturopathic medicine is designed to treat the cause, not the symptom. When used in diet and lifestyle in combination with low-risk, high-efficacy products that are inherently anti-aging, naturopathic medicine can help facilitate optimal health.
If we just treat the symptom and use suppressive medicine with pharmaceuticals, the patient symptom resolves, but they're not well. If we take the time to find the cause of the symptom and we treat the cause, that patient will truly reach wellness.
Located just 45 minutes north of Seattle, the Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic offers professional and compassionate primary, natural, and holistic techniques of care in a spa-like setting. All of the treatment methods are designed to help patients achieve optimal health and age gracefully.
I chose to open this clinic 10 years ago because every community deserves to have good health care. I do a lot of treatment with bioidentical hormone replacement. We start with testing, which can be blood testing or saliva, to get baseline values for where your hormones are. As we age, everyone is going to lose hormones, and we're staying alive for a lot longer than we did years ago. So when you take your hormones, either transdermal through your skin or oral, your body actually recognizes them and accepts them without a large realm of side effects that some of the synthetic hormones have. Further, we test you to find out exactly what your needs are. Then we match a customized formula of bioidenticals for you. So it's custom medicine, not just one size fits all. You and I are going to have a very different relationship than your normal relationship with a physician. It's my responsibility to teach you what you need to be well, to hand back the responsibility of your health to you.
With providers licensed in the state of Washington and credentialed with all major insurance companies, the Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic integrates naturopathic medicine with acupuncture, bodywork, skincare, and nutrition. This provides patients with a comprehensive set of services for treatment, prevention, and well-being.
IV vitamin therapy is a popular tool that we use here at the Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic. For example, if somebody's had weight loss surgery or so and their nutrients aren't as good as they have been, we can use it specific for that. We also use it with a lot of athletes who are in training because they use their nutrients up. We also have people who use it after traveling or if they feel like their immune system is not as good as it could be, so we use it in that way too. What we can achieve with acupuncture and oriental medicine is sometimes different than what we can achieve with standard medicine or even naturopathic medicine. Acupuncture works on an entirely different system, and by using that system, we can really do some good work. It treats everything from migraines to fertility to poor digestion and that ankle pain or that back pain a person might have. So it's very comprehensive. Chinese herbal medicine goes along with acupuncture in that it's based on the same system. And what we're doing is we're using those herbs that have been compounded into these medicines. These herbs have been used for thousands of years and well documented. So we're using those in place of using perhaps a vitamin or a prescription. So it's really working on fine-tuning the body from the inside out and healing it with the idea of balancing it. Food allergy testing is something that we do a lot of, and it really should be called food sensitivity testing. By using the food panel, what we can do is look at 96 of the most commonly eaten foods and try to figure out which ones might be causing you some issues. So by removing those, we're removing that obstacle to cure and taking out the cause of your symptoms. So if you're suffering from sinusitis or headaches or joint pain or any of that, just by removing the food, we can lower your overall inflammation and get you feeling better. Lifestyle coaching is fundamental. What we really want to do here is put the tools into your hands and do it on a one-on-one basis, because what works for you may not work for your spouse or your sister or your mother. We have to figure out what your triggers are and prepare for those so that you can make the right decisions each and every day.
For 20 years, I've been suffering with severe headaches. I sought out some help from general practitioners who referred me to neurologists, and that didn't work. I went there for several years. After that, my wife suggested I come out to Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic and see Dr. Novins. She looked at my entire condition, and we started on hormone therapy. And that had some effects I wasn't expecting, in that my headaches started to diminish. You know, I really felt as though I was empowered when I talked to people. I told them exactly what was on my mind. I could build muscles again. You know, I was continually getting weaker and working out, that really helped. And then, of course, the third part, the best part, was my sex life is back. And I had said goodbye to my sex life a long time ago. I just didn't have it, you know, so, you know, I'm back and I'm feeling great. You know, I wouldn't swap this for anything. My alternative is, let me see, a life full of headaches and pain and getting overweight, not being able to do anything, or feeling good and being able to do whatever I want. It's an easy choice. I would recommend Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic to anyone seeking to improve their health. The staff here is great to work with, and they'll help you through all this very easily.
I felt very tired, lack of energy. I was having menopausal issues, hot flashes all day long, night sweats, couldn't sleep. It was awful. My AMA doctor wanted to prescribe hypertension medication, sleeping tablets, and chemical estrogen therapy. And I just didn't feel comfortable covering up what my body was telling me with pharmaceutical medication. I wanted a more whole body, holistic approach to my health care. And a friend suggested Dr. Novins and the Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic, and I've been coming here for 3 years. And I feel great, I'm doing well, and I can't speak highly enough. I feel better now than I have in many, many, many years. And I owe that to the full body health regime that I've learned here at Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic.
In order to successfully navigate weight loss, it requires good guidance and one-on-one help and a constant reaffirmation that you're making the right choices on a day-to-day basis. You can't just reach for what it is that you reached for in the past, otherwise you're going to end up with the same result as you're in. So helping somebody through that, coaching them through that, is a big part of the weight loss program here.
I'm very proud of the Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic. When a patient comes here, they're greeted, they're welcomed, they know that they're truly going to be listened to. Somebody's going to take the time to find and meet their personal needs.
Working with Dr. Novins has been a blessing from the day that I walked into this clinic. And occasionally we do need to talk to each other and say, you know, what do you think about this? Or what's another viewpoint on that? Or I'm getting stuck here, what can I do? And having that as a resource literally next door to me is the best thing I as a doctor could ask for.
If you're having a hard time meeting your health needs with traditional medicine, give naturopathic medicine a chance.
Aging gracefully. It's not just about looking great as you get older, it's about preserving your vitality. And that starts with promoting one's underlying health and wellness. Learn more about the Snohomish Naturopathic Clinic, primary care naturally. For more information, go to snohomishnaturopathic.com.